Well, it's your boy Robert Griffiths here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install a free SSL certificate on your website. So if your website's got this, not secure, HTTPS is scored out, then this is for you. If you've got a WordPress website especially, I will also be putting this training in the Maintenance Marketers School, which you can join here. It's not actually free anymore, it is paid, but you get a free trial for 7 days, so jump in and get involved. So here we go, we are at the maintenancemarketers.com and we're going to go for /wp-admin, which will take me to my WordPress dashboard, and I can't remember my fucking password, shit. Dope. So I'm going to go my dashboard, my control panel here. Sorry if I keep looking up there, it's because I've got a big screen there. So please ignore my ignorance if I keep moving up there because I've got shitty eyesight. Anyway, go down to here. Incidentally, if you ever get locked out of your WordPress website and you can't reset your password or anything, what you could do is go into cPanel. Exactly what I'm doing here. Go to cPanel, then go to WordPress there, and then go to log in. And that should take me direct to the Maintenance Marketers dashboard, and here we go. So what we're going to do is delete that, and I'll move this somewhere over here out the way. Okay, put myself over there too. Yo, so let's install the plugin. What we want to do is go to plugins, add plugin, and then we are going to search for WP Encrypt, bro. And this is the one we're looking for here. Excuse me. Yeah, WP Encrypt. This is by far the best one. I've tried most of them. That's really simple SSL. I used that one for years. But I've migrated to this one now. It's actually really good and really easy to install. So follow along. Let's do this. Excuse me, I've got an itch. Must be the opiates I've been taking. Just kidding. Once that's installed, we're going to click on activate. So that's the plugin installed now. So we'll just go to WP encryption, see how quick that was. And we'll go to, don't want to do that. We're going to allow and continue. Excuse-moi. So while that's activating just now, if you've not already joined the Maintenance Marketers, it is an online community for joiners, plumbers, roofers, electricians, all trades that deal with property maintenance. It's an online community where we've got a free app, we've got hundreds of videos, loads of courses, everything that you need to learn to be successful in the property maintenance business. Anyway, back to this. And we'll go the Maintenance Marketers at gmail.com. Sorry, I can't speak and type at the same time. I can hardly speak sometimes, but here we go. So yeah, we're going to generate an SSL certificate for both www and non-www versions of your domain. If you really want to know what that means, excuse me. Really what it means, just click on there, but it's basically if somebody types in your domain name into Google, www, it will generate the SSL certificate for both that and if they just type in the maintenancemarketers.com. So just click on here, bang, bang, bang. 5 minutes gone already on the old TikTok there. Not the dance platform for kids, the old TikTok clock. Anyway, right here. So please verify domain ownership. So this is basically where you install some code and stuff on the back end of your domain name just to verify that it's yours and you are qualified and legally obliged to edit this website. So we've got two challenges. We can do the HTTP challenge, where you upload files to the FTP or file manager on your hosting, and or you can do DNS challenges. Personally, I like to do the DNS side of things because it's a lot quicker and easier. So we'll copy this first here, just highlighting it, and then pressing Command C on the Mac, and I think it's Control C on PC or whatever. So we're just copying that there, and we're going to go back to Control Panel, and Control Panel. Sorry, I've usually got this open. So Control Panel, and then we're going to go to Zone Editor. Okay, and here we are going to click on Manage, and we are going to go over to here and add a text record, or here add a TXT. Okay, add a text record, and then we'll paste that name in there that we just copied over. And if we go back to here, and then our TTL should be 60 or lowest value possible. And then I'm going to copy this value code here. So let's go back to our control panel, and we'll put, what was it, 60 or less in here. Put 60 there, make sure the type's TXT or text record, and we're going to control paste, control V or command V, paste that string code for the record in there, and we're going to save record. And you should get a successful notification up here. If you don't, hit me up in the messages and I'll help you out as much as I can. So that's the first one, pretty easy, huh? First one, pretty easy. Huh? So we need, as you can see, that value there is for if somebody types it doesn't type in the www. And we're going to take this name here, Control C, copy. And we're going to go over to Zone Editor, and we are going to add a TXT record or a text record. We're going to paste that in there. Take that, make that 60. Make sure this is a TXT record, and then we're going to go back to our maintenance marketers dashboard. We're going to grab that value there. Control C to copy, and then Control V to paste. Then we're going to save, and you should get this success message up there. Excellent, good stuff. What have we got? 8 minutes, 51 seconds. So far we are cooking the gas here. So next we're going to verify. So we go back to the WP encryption dashboard, and while it's loading up there, we also have a massive resources vault in the Maintenance Marketers School. You should check it out. There's loads of podcasts, there's video courses, email courses, checklists, blueprints, all the kind of shit you need to know to make more money with your property maintenance business. So get involved, okay? So that's the, congratulations, the SSL certificate has successfully generated. So what we need to do now is actually verify again with the actual SSL certificate itself. So what we do is we always click on here, and what I always do is I always click on this. For some reason, it's a little glitch on the plugin, but I always click on here, copy, and then it brings this text out here, and then I always click off it, and then click back on and type Control A or Command A to select all the text in that box there, and then Control C or Command C to copy it. And then what we're going to do, we're going to go back over to cPanel, excuse me, cPanel, and then we're going to go to SSL, type in SSL, and then click this one, create, manage, and delete SSL certificate, sign request and keys. So click on that. And then we'll scroll down to the bottom here, manage SSL sites, right there. And we will select domain name. So what I've done there is selected the domain name, subdomain, cPanel, blah 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 blah, all the mail stuff, etc. That's my IP address. I think I might blank that out because people can fanny about it. All you freaks on the internet. Command C, we're going to paste that, the certificate, the CRT in there, and then we're going to autofill by certificate. But it always does this as well for some reason. It never actually brings over the private key. Don't know why. So what we actually have to do is we go in here and we grab that by ourselves. So like I said before, we click off it. Make sure this is begin private key, and then do Command A to select all, or Control A if you're on a shitty PC, and we'll do Control Command C to copy it. And what we're going to do, we're going to go over there and we're going to pop that bad boy private key in to that field there, and we are going to click install certificate, and there we go. We have successfully configured the SSL certificate on our website. Woohoo! Woo-hoo. Happy dance, right? So there we go. It is saying that that SSL certificate is installed. In fact, last but not least, we have to go down here and we click enable HTTPS now. Shit, that's asking me to log in, and hopefully that is the username and password, and it is. Hallelujah! As you can see here, we've got woohoo! WP encryption just saved you $, in SSL certificate fee. Can you do us a big favour? No, I can't be arsed right now because I am busy. I'm just about to go shopping with the missus. I can't wait. So as you can see here, we've got our SSL certificate for another 89 days. And just to prove that that is working, I'm going to check it in a private window. And we're going to go there, maintenancemarketers.com, and there we go. There you have it. We are in a private window, and the maintenancemarketers.com has a S on the end, HTTPS, which means the private, the SSL certificate has been successfully installed. So that's how you do it, under 15 minutes, bish bash bosh. Give us a like and follow on whatever platform you're watching this on. Don't be afraid to give us a comment too. If you give us a wee comment, give us a wee shout out, say hi, whatever. If you want any help with anything, let me know and I'll do my best to help you out, bro. Peace.